We are not in the Philippines. We are here in America, United States. Natawa na. Dubai life. How is Dubai? Yan sinasabi ko sa inyo mga mumu.
Nasaan mo mo?
Ito. Oh, hindi naka-jacket.
Oh? Oh.
Pag hindi naka-jacket. Oy, Joe, Chris, how are you? Joe and Chris, how are you? Oh my God. How are you, my friend? Let's eat our lunch and dinner. Oh, see, sabi niya, I'm not in Dubai. I'm here in India. My YouTube channel is Dubai Live. I assuming you're in Dubai.
Huh?
Nice country. India.
Yeah, let's go there. Huh?
Sisi Kidney Warrior, mega love shout out. Good morning. Good morning, Pilipinas. Gising na kayo dyan, guys. Kasi, pag sa YouTube ako mag-live, marami papasok sa akin kasi medyo kilala nila ako. Pero pag mag-live ako sa Facebook, nilalanga, walang tao.
Mag-live ka palagi. Sabi nila, lagi ka lang mag-live.
Ayaw ko sa Facebook dahil walang kita dyan. Puro
restriction.
budol yung mita. Budol yung mita-mita.
Kasi masarap yung just vegetable only. Diba? Oy, nag-diet na ako. Hindi na ako kumakain ng meat.
Weh.
Allergy na ako eh.
Allergy na siya sa meat.
Hindi na ako kumain.
Talaga, Day?
Huh?
Kailangan ko pa rin ng meat.
Once in the blue moon.
Kasi meat is the proteins. Dubai life. Cause my business in Dubai, my friend. Now, I come here in India, vacation. Wow! Sana all vacation!
Hot tea? Oh no, cold tea? Oh,
Half and half.
You are
9:30?
from a Philippines. Then why you come UK? I'm not in the UK. I'm in I'm in United States of America. You want to support my channel? There is a dollar sign. You put palipad. You palipad me with flying colors.
Palipad.
Oo, di ka
Dubai
palipad
kasi
yun dahil. Ang palipad dahil, pera yan. Ipapalipad sa'yo. Habang nagla-live ka, kumbaga parang star siya.
Star.
Pero yan dyan, sa
YouTube.
okay, by mistake. Why you come America? Because I have American husband. That's what.
Marinig ka niyan?
Oo, hindi naman ako naka-mute.
Naka-mute ka?
Hindi. Pero mamaya, pag nagkanta na tayo, i-mute ko na. Para hindi ako makapiright.
Sorry, hindi mo ako nag-live.
Lagi ka nag-live, di ba?
No, video lang sayaw-sayaw. Dito yung live. Ha?
TikTok?
TikTok. Kung nagsayaw-sayaw ko, exercise ba? TikTok ko a little bit and the rest exercise. Yun na yun. Morning, pag mata ko, or my time, I do it. Like 20 minutes.
Oh, you're so... Kuripot naman itong hayupak na to. Busit. Tinatagalog ko, hindi mo maintindihan. Kung sabi niya, oh, look at what he said. I don't care dollar. I just support for everyone to be happy. Happy all. Yeah, thank you for coming. Sana all husband Americano. Pilipino to, hinayaw pa ka to. Puro English ako, tapos Pilipino ya. Tingnan ko yung bahay mo. Channel activity. Sana yun.
Kumain pa kayo.
Siguro, Pilipino ka, no?
Abi ko.
Mami, I live in California.
Baka aswang yan.
Sabi niya, Day. Uy, Day.
May
Sabi niya.
aswang.
Sabi niya, Mami, I live in California.
Asan sa
May I marry your daughter?
Ikaw. Naging daughter pa.
Okay, you said $100 palipad right now.